But I just wanted to mention that trust is essential, especially in a competitive market. It helps us to keep loyal customers and attract investors. Strong governance is the key. They ensure clear decision making, accountability, and transparency.
Hello and welcome to FaceTime with Leaders, the podcast brought to you by Directors Institute, World Council of Directors. I am your host, Rajesh Joshi, and today we are excited to have an extraordinary guest who has made remarkable contributions to the ever-evolving world of technology and business transformation. With a career spanning over 2 decades, he is known for his ability to align IT strategies with business goals and drive innovation across global platforms. But rather than give away too much, I'll let his story and insights unfold as we dive into the conversation. So get comfortable, stay curious, and join us as we explore the journey, challenges, and vision of someone who's redefining the possibilities of technology leadership. It is my pleasure to welcome Mr. Viswanathan Nair to FaceTime with Leaders. We welcome you on the show, Mr. Nair.
Thank you, Rajesh, for having me today. It's an honor to be part of this program.
The pleasure is all ours, Mr. Nair. To start this conversation, your career has spanned decades with remarkable contributions to technology and business transformation. But every journey has a beginning. Could you take us back to the start and share how it all began? What led you into the world of technology? And how did your path evolve into the leadership roles you hold today?
Well, Mr. Rajesh, let me be completely honest. I did not have a clear direction or plan when I chose to study information technology. There is a reason. The reason is that I come from a small region called Kuttanad in the state of Kerala. This region has the lowest altitude in India and one of the few places in the world where farming carried out at 4 to 10 feet below the sea level. At that time, we did not have proper roads or infrastructure. So we relied on backwater transport, which was very time consuming. And most people in my village did not even know there was a computer. So, however, I am grateful to my father, who is a teacher. He understood the potential of technology and encouraged me to study computers, which changed my life. Wow. I started my career as a trainer at National Institute of Information Technology, where I taught students computer programming and related concepts. During this time, I had the opportunity to train engineering students from leading universities like SOTI. And this experience helped me to learn a lot from them as well. Later, I worked as a programmer in India before moving to Dubai, where I joined Damas International, a multinational jewelry retailer, as a software engineer. At Damas, I was part of the team implementing their ERP solution, which was a pivotal moment in my career. It helped me transition from being a programmer to a consultant, allowing me to understand business process and how technology can bring efficiency to operations. Eventually, I became the head of business application at Damas and led several business application projects that supported the company's growth. After my time at Damas, I joined Malabar Gold and Diamonds as the head of IT. I had the opportunity to set up the entire IT function from scratch, which included IT infrastructure, IT security, customer relationship management, and human resource management, ERP, and business analytics implementation. This role allowed me to take full accountability for IT and strategically align business goals with the technology solutions. Next, I joined Life Healthcare Group as their IT director, where I led many technology initiatives, including robotic process automation, warehouse management solutions. During this time, the COVID-19 pandemic began, and I decided to return to India. Coincidentally, Malabar Group India operation were implementing their ERP solution, Microsoft Dynamics 365, which was facing challenges due to lack of governance and delays in schedule, budget, The chairman of Malabar Group asked me to take charge of the project, and I was honored to do so. And successfully completed the project on time within the agreed scope and budget, which significantly boosted my credibility as a leader within the company. Today, I am proud to serve as the Senior Vice President of IT at Malabar Group of Companies.
Wow, absolutely amazing, incredible journey, Mr. Nair. I mean, it's amazing how those early moments shaped the impactful leader you're today. Overseeing global IT operations and mentoring international teams at Malabar Group must involve balancing diverse cultures, perspectives, and goals. How do you ensure that such a wide reaching organization stays united and aligned with its shared objectives while also empowering teams across different locations to feel motivated and connected?
Collaborating with teams across different locations is easier than ever. Thanks to tools like Microsoft Teams, Zooms. Right now we are in Zoom, right? So we make sure communication within our team is clear and efficient. At the same time, we trust teams to take ownership of their task while ensuring everything lines up with the company's bigger goals. To keep everyone on track, we hold regular meetings that help keep all teams connected and focused on the shared objectives.
Right. I mean, that's such a thoughtful approach, Mr. Nair. It really highlights the importance of connection and shared vision in leading a global organization. In today's fast evolving digital landscape, ensuring robust cybersecurity while driving innovation can feel like walking a tightrope. With your leadership in implementing advanced measures like CrowdStrike, MDR, and SOC services, how do you strike that balance, prioritizing security without compromising on efficiency or the pace of innovation? What's the mindset or strategy behind achieving this delicate equilibrium?
Well, in today's fast-paced technology landscape, it's very crucial to strike the right balance between security and efficiency. We take a risk-based approach, recognizing that endpoints are the primary entry point and exit point for the data in any organization. With that in mind, we prioritize endpoint security by implementing CrowdStrike MDR, one of the leading solutions for endpoint protection. Knowing your security posture is also a key. That is why we have also onboarded SOC as a service, which plays a critical role in continuously monitoring and improving our security posture, ensuring all our digital environment is always protected.
Okay. I mean, that's such a well-rounded perspective, Mr. Nair. It is clear how much thought goes into balancing these critical aspects. Introducing transformative tools like Adobe Experience Manager and Salesforce CRM requires a deep understanding of both technology and business needs. When you're looking to drive digital transformation, how do you approach identifying the right technologies? Is it about foresight, collaboration, or something else entirely that guides your decisions to ensure they align with both current demands and future growth?
Yes, Mr. Rajesh. First, it is very important to make sure our technology decisions support companies' long-term goals. Collaboration is the only key in making right choices. We get input from different teams to pick the tools and technology that improve customer experience and make our operations more efficient. For example, when we choose Adobe Experience Manager or Salesforce CRM, we worked with our retail team, worked with our CRM team, and we got input from marketing teams to make sure these solutions met their needs and helped us reach our business goals.
Right. I mean, your insights on aligning technology with business goals are truly inspiring, Mr. Nair. You've had a remarkable journey in technology and leadership, driving transformation and innovation across global organizations. As you look into the future, what aspirations do you have for your career? Do you see yourself contributing at the boardroom level, shaping strategy and governance on an even larger scale?
Of course, Mr. Rajesh. See, I'm focused on learning, growing, and improving my leadership skills to tackle challenges and help the organization succeed.
Mhm.
With my skills in decision making, teamwork, and business process, I'm confident I can make real difference at the boardroom level.
I am particularly confident about that since just a few minutes back you explained how trusting with ownership is one of your key attributes and how you actually manage and collaborate with team members. And end of the day, a boardroom responsibility is all about looking at ownership in a very different manner. That's absolutely exciting to hear how you're looking to make an even greater impact, Mr. Nair. Coming on to a topic which is very close to my heart, actually. Corporate governance is often described as the backbone of organizational success. In your view, how does implementing strong governance practices not only build trust, but also help businesses adapt to challenges and grow sustainably?
That's very true, Mr. Rajesh. We were talking about corporate governance, some of our previous discussions as well. But I
Right.
just wanted to mention that trust is essential, especially in a competitive market. It helps us to keep loyal customers and attract investors. Strong governance is the key. They ensure clear decision making, accountability, and transparency, where all the crucial for trust with everyone involved. Right now, we have over 20,000 employees, more than 4,000 investors, and 15 million trusted customers. To sum it up, good corporate governance create an environment where trust is nurtured, adaptability is encouraged, and sustainable growth is prioritized, ultimately ensuring long-term business success. Trust is everything.
Absolutely, absolutely. And isn't it amazing how corporate governance, which actually is is so much as an essential and intrinsic part of any business, has actually become a pillar for brand management and saliency also. End of the day, a very well governed company obviously would attract more investors, more customers, and will also have very happy and confident employees who are in turn serving these customers because they know that well their company is following all the norms and all the principles of good corporate governance. Is it, I mean, how amazing it is that in the last 10-15 years all of this has suddenly caught up so much of importance while it actually was always there. It's just caught up.
Absolutely,
And then,
absolutely. It was there, always it was there. But now
right.
it become more structured. The collaboration becomes structured, the transparency, the communication, everything becomes structured. So that is the only difference. It was there. That is the reason. Otherwise, none of this organization won't survive for these many years, right?
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. That's such a clear and thoughtful perspective, Mr. Nair. It is inspiring to hear how governance can truly be a driver of both trust and long term growth. Mr. Nair, you've had the opportunity to engage with Directors Institute and its programs. How has your experience with the Institute shaped your perspective on leadership, governance, or decision making? I mean, are there any standout moments or key takeaways that you feel have been particularly valuable?
Amazing, amazing. My experience with the Directors Institute has been incredibly enriching. What really stood out for me is hands-on scenarios,
Mhm.
the curriculum that is focused on real-world situations, and the expertise of the trainers. The sessions, especially the sessions on corporate governance, were especially insightful. The experience has definitely given me a better understanding for different areas needed to help an organization grow in a sustainable way. I'm truly grateful to Directors Institute for offering such a valuable and impactful training session. Thank you, Mr. Rajesh.
Wow, wow. It is great to hear how Directors Institute has provided such valuable insights, Mr. Nair. It is clear how impactful their programs can be. Uh, Unfortunately, that brings us to the end of today's episode of FaceTime with Leaders, brought to you by Directors Institute. A big thank you to our guest, Mr. Viswanathan Nair, for sharing such insightful perspectives, inspiring stories, and valuable lessons from his incredible journey, and all of this in an absolutely crisp, clear, and concise way. Mr. Nair, it's been an absolute pleasure having you here today. Thank you for your time, your wisdom,
Thank
and
you
your
very much.
inspiring thoughts.
Thank you very much.
And to our listeners, we hope you found this conversation as engaging and enlightening as we did. Until next time, everyone keep leading with purpose and vision. Take care. This is Rajesh Joshi signing off.